Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer XRP from Ledger Nano X to your Coinbase. Now you need to open up your Ledger Live app or website and then click on this accounts option from the left sidebar. And after you do that, you will be able to see all of your accounts. From here, you have to select your XRP account. You can also use this search bar to search for your XRP account if you have multiple accounts. Then you just need to tap on it and then you will see the similar screen. From here, you have to click on this send button at the top of your screen and then it's going to open up this window. So you just have to paste the wallet address from your Coinbase in this input bar. So open up your Coinbase app and then click on this search icon, and from this search bar you have to search for the cryptocurrency that you are receiving. We are receiving XRP, so I will just type XRP and then select the XRP from the search results. Then you just have to click on this receive button and then you will be able to get your wallet address. So just click on copy button and then go back to your Ledger Live app and then paste the wallet address in this box and then click on continue. And if they have provided any tag or memo, you also have to paste that memo in this tag section. It is very necessary to paste the tag if they have provided. And once you do that, click on continue. And then lastly, you just have to enter the amount, how much you want to transfer, and then click on continue. Lastly, you have to confirm this transfer. So make sure wallet address and the amount is correct, and also make sure to check your network is same in both of your Ledger and your Coinbase app. Once you confirm these things, click on continue, and then you need to complete this operation on your device to finalize it. So just click on this both of your button on your Ledger Nano S device, and once you do that, your XRP will be transferred from your Ledger Nano X to your Coinbase. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.